Editing PDFs wherever you are is super easy with Foxit PDF Editor Suite. Let's say you need to urgently finalize a PDF with a coworker, but they're out in the field. Foxit PDF Editor Cloud is accessible from any browser. It makes it easy to edit together in real time, share feedback, and even submit for eSign approvals across any device. Open a cloud document from any device. Easily make your edits to the PDF, fix typos, add highlights, and more. Your edits are all saved across your devices. When you're done, send it to your colleague for collaboration. They can pick up where you left off with Foxit PDF Editor mobile apps for iOS and Android. Back at the office, use Foxit PDF Editor Suite's powerful desktop solution. All done. The document is ready to submit for eSign approval. Foxit PDF Editor Suite just made their life a whole lot easier, and it can for you too. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.